Welcome back. So now that we have our keyword list of all of the scenes, what we want to do is we want to go inside of our video creation software and we want to find assets to match each of these phrases. Now, in some cases, we might find that the video creation software is inadequate. They don't have exactly what we need. Then we'll go outside of there. We always want to start with the video creation software because anytime you use the assets inside of the software, you will be able to use the tools in order to draw, in order to animate. In some cases, if you add outside sources in, the animation process doesn't work the same. So let's open up our video creation software. And what we're going to do now is we're going to search for each one of these phrases. So for example, instead of empower, what we might start with is power. And we'll search for something that might represent empower. And we could probably use this, which would be a fist. And so this would be our first scene. So now what we're going to do is we're going to move the timeline down. We're now going to look for lock or unlock. We'll start with unlock. And these are all premium suggestions, so we'll take a look at lock. And a key will actually work fine. So we'll use the key. We'll set this, and then we'll move on to the next scene. Our next phrase is goals, so we're going to do goals. And this is a good one for goals. We'll now move on to the next scene. Next keyword is life, so we will see what we can find for a life. And this will actually work just fine. So you get the idea. So what we're going to do for the rest of the scenes, we're going to do this off cameras. We're going to go and we're going to find images for each one of these phrases. And then we'll come back. Okay, so we are still selecting images here and continuing to go through the process. And one thing to note, since we're doing a video on the sales process, we decided to use an image from the actual product. So we're actually going to put our product image inside of this part of the video. And we are now at image number 23 or scene 23, and we have 4 more left at this point. Okay, so you can see now here at the bottom, we have selected all of our images for our scenes. We're now going to save this particular file inside of our video creation software. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.